In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on CoinStats. If you prefer using CoinStats in a different language, or you're helping someone who's more comfortable in another language, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute. I'll show it on the website, and the flow is very similar in the app, so you can follow along either way. First, go to CoinStats. Open your browser and type the site address, then wait for the home page or your dashboard to load completely. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your portfolio or overview. If not, you'll still be able to access the settings area we need. Nothing about this process changes your data or accounts. It only changes how the interface text is displayed. Give the page a moment to finish loading so every menu is visible. Next, click on the settings icon. Look for the familiar gear symbol, typically located in the top corner of the page. Depending on your screen size, you might see it on a sidebar or under a profile or menu button. If it's tucked away, open the main menu first and then choose the gear. This takes you to the preferences for your account view. It's the central place where display options live, and changing language here applies across the interface, not just on one page. Now, click on Language. Inside the Settings panel, you'll find a section labeled Language, often under General or Preferences. Select it to open the language options. This is where CoinStats lists all the supported languages, usually showing each in its native name so it's easy to recognize. You don't need to worry about saving anything yet, just open the list. Finally, choose a language. Scroll through the list and select the one you want. In most cases, the interface updates right away. If it doesn't switch instantly, give it a second or refresh the page to apply the change. If you accidentally pick a language you don't read, no problem. Return to the same gear icon location and follow the exact path to switch back. The position of the menu item stays the same, so it's easy to retrace. Some layouts may highlight your current selection, and there's usually no separate save button. So once you click the language, you're done. That's it. Go to CoinStats, open Settings, click Language, and choose your preferred option. With your interface now in the language that suits you best, you'll find navigation smoother and insights easier to act on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using CoinStats in your chosen language.